Hello, this is a demo for our app called Cadence. First, you can see already existing calendars over here. Is that this actual my actual calendars that I use daily. And first of all, you can change the aesthetics of the calendars like these and change it to green, and it will change the colors to green and such for higher visibility. Second, what you can do is you can set your work hours. For example, if I feel comfortable studying from 9 to 6, then I can set 9 to 6. If I'm a person who feels comfortable studying from 6 to 9 before I go to school, and then come back from school around 5 p.m., eat dinner and such, and then study until 9 p.m., you can add a work segment like that. But for the demo, we're only going to do it from 9 to 6. And also you can set your focus durations and then break it after each bit. Focus duration is how small parts this app will break an assignment into. Now, for example, if I have an exam coming up on the 21st of March, and I would like to study this exam for 10 hours, and I click add, and now it will break it into 10 small parts because I have set my focus duration to an hour. But also what I can do is, if I change it to my focus duration to 2 hours, and then add a task, same way. Now it will break it into 5 small parts because I've told the system that I want to study for 2 hours straight once I start studying. That's one way to add a task. Basically is shoving into the empty spaces of your already existing calendar, trying to eliminate the process of, well, what should I be doing in these empty times that I have between lectures and such. The second way to add a task is, if you subscribe to Canvas Calendar automatically imports all the assignments on the day of the due date as an all-day event with the assignment description inside the event description. So now we have connected our AI with it. And if you click breaking down with AI, what happens is, instead of breaking a task into smaller parts by the assumed user's completion hour, now it will read the description and break it down into small parts by step for the progress to complete this assignment instead of assumed time. Since it's a small local machine that I've connected backend with, it's going to take some time, but now you can see that the subtasks are created by the step-by-step with each individual items and the average hour that it will take. So read the provider writing guide for 35 minutes, read the feedback received last week for 45 and such and such. And once you're done, you can just delete all these tasks and make your empty calendar again. Thank you for watching the demo, and this was the Bridgers, and our app is called Cadence.